Hi, it's Marcus Collins of the MA Properties Online team with your market update for Lexington in October 2019. The number of available homes for sale this month was 81. Interesting to compare that with the number that were for sale in 1 year ago, 2018, where it was 53. So that's about a 53% increase in the number of available homes to buy. In terms of the new listings, we have 37 new listings in October this year. Again, comparing to last year, we had 20. Big increase, about an 85% increase in the number of new listings coming on the market. I'll have more to say about that in a moment because that's a big increase. An interesting metric to follow that gives us a sense of buyer confidence is the sale price to list price ratio. Imagine a home comes on the market for 700, sells for 700. That's a 100% sale price to list price ratio. Last month, it was 98%. We expect a relatively low number this time of the year because a home that closes in October has probably gone under agreement in late August, perhaps early September, which is a traditionally rather slow period just before the fall market kicks in. Interesting again, compared to last year, it was 103%. That's a much higher ratio, clearly. So we had much more buyer confidence this time last year than we do this year. In terms of the number of homes sold this month in October was 17 compared to last year where there was 20. Roughly the same number. If we look year to date, we're already, here we are in early November, we can now begin to get some sense of what year to date numbers will look like. Year to date 2019, 256. Year to date 2018, 261. So we've got about the same number of homes selling this year than sold last year. Remembering now, though, the available inventory was 53% higher. The number of new listings, 85% higher. What that means is there's a lot of homes coming on the market that realistically are actually not going to sell. So what's going on in the market to actually cause this kind of discrepancy in terms of the number of listings and new listings versus last year? The sellers in this market are beginning to think that perhaps there's a housing correction either happening or about to happen. And so they're hedging their bets, essentially, looking to see if they can't sell this year, just in case we get a correction sometime late 19, realistically more like early 2020. In terms of the buyers, they're becoming a little bit hesitant, thinking, you know what, maybe I should wait till 2020. Perhaps prices are going to be somewhat lower. So that's what's going on in the market. So how should sellers and buyers react to that? In terms of sellers, it's a little bit late to bring a home on the market, realistically. Really should be thinking about spring 2020. But it's clear that we still are having 250, probably closer to 270 homes selling in Lexington this year. Homes are still selling, but the homes that are selling have done things right. Specifically, they've priced realistically. They've created a product that today's buyers want. They've marketing it across all of the channels, digital, print, social media. You really need to get a great product priced well in front of today's buyers, and homes will sell. If you miss out on any of those, specifically price, you get the price too high, the home will sit on the market, and that's what we're seeing with those homes that are just not selling. In terms of the buyers, now's a great time to be looking to see if there's a house out there that perhaps the sellers are looking to get rid of it before the winter kicks in. They don't want to carry it over winter. Perhaps there's some bargains to be had. It's key, though, that you focus on the fundamentals. You don't want to buy a home that's on a busy street. Things you cannot change. If a home's got a kitchen that's not been updated for a long time, bathrooms that have not been updated, that can be fixed. What can't be fixed is location, layout, for example. So make sure when you look at a home, even though you think it's priced really well, essentially priced to sell, that those fundamentals are still there. You've still got good location, good floor layout, and so on. So that's the market update for Lexington in October 2019. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back for another episode in a month's time. Bye.